Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making some creamy tofu sesame noodles. To start off, I boiled 24 ounces of Chinese wheat noodles in salted water for about 6 to 7 minutes. Then I drained it and put it in a bowl. After that, I made my sauce by using my food processor, and in that I put about 16 ounces of firm tofu, 5 cloves of garlic that I chopped up, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We'll give all that a quick process until it's smooth, and then we'll add our water. So I just blended up everything until it was nice and smooth. Now we'll add our 6 tablespoons of water. We'll see how it turns out. So I just finished processing everything for about another 20 seconds. And as you can see, our sauce has a consistency of yogurt. Now we can get the rest of our ingredients together. Now that our sauce is done, I just threw it on top of our noodles along with half a cup of chopped cilantro. We'll add some sesame seeds to this and toss it to combine it. To finish everything, we'll be making a quick sauce to top everything. In this bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chinkiang vinegar, 2 tablespoons of agave syrup, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1.5 tablespoons of chili crisp. After that, I just mixed it all together and threw it on top. So here's our finished product. It's nice and tasty. Give it a try, guys.